This is the elevator here at the Banks here in Porte, Indiana. Look what we have here. That's right, we got ThyssenKrupp, a brand new one too, from 2021 or 2022. Nice elevator cab. Alright, let's go up the floor. Here are 4. Going up?
Yeah, just the 3rd floor. Do you live on the 4th?
Yeah, I'm just getting another video of this thing just because. Look at those buttons. Doesn't have to comment actually.
Keep running into you guys.
I know.
Are you coming in?
I'm going up.
Okay.
You going up? Oh,
We're going down, but
okay.
Yeah, we're gonna grab some
we'll
furniture.
take the trip.
Sure. I'm just filming the elevator, that's all. Pretty nice cab.
Yeah. And I wonder if they're going to keep this blue up.
That's probably to protect the stainless steel, I'm assuming.
Thank you.
Mabius, California. It's very rare.
Yeah. That's nice.
Okay, no ThyssenKrupp nameplate, which is interesting.
Oh, hi.
Morning.
Okay.
It's all good.
I know, I'm surprised they don't have a service elevator for moving and stuff.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see 35. Go ahead.
Okay.
And there goes the elevator. Actually, there we go. It's a nice and tall one. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.